Howdy ho, my peeps, and welcome to a recently requested video, chili cheese fries. Okay, I wouldn't call this a dinner per se. This is more of a very hearty snack, particularly if you serve it with some salad or something on the side, maybe stuffed celery or something of that nature. This would be something, I'm shaking, sorry. This would be something wonderful to serve if you've been, say, working outside, splitting wood, or, you know, you've had a day in the cold and you want to come in and eat something warm, maybe for a late lunch. So that is how I'm going to spin this meal. I'm going to start with spraying my pan with some of this wonderful coconut cooking spray that I got at Dollar Tree. There we go. Give it a little once over. Now, I've already cut open the top of my crinkle cut fries, and they are going to go in here right now, like that. And we're just going to move them around like so. Now this is going to go into a 400-degree oven for 8 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to do that now. When we're done, I'm going to pull it out and we will put the toppings. Our potatoes have been in the oven for about 8 minutes. I'm going to kind of turn them over a little bit and kind of agitate them a little. Like so. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the, pause the camera for a second, and I'm going to spoon the potatoes. Were in the oven for about 10 minutes or so. I spooned this chili with beans over the top, and I agitated a little bit so I could get the, kind of mix the chili and the potatoes together a little bit. This is going to go back into the oven where it will bake for another 10 to 12 minutes until it's warm all the way through, and then we will add the cheese sauce and warm that up. I've taken the contents of my little cheese packet here. I cut the top off and then I squeezed it all on top, and then I took my spoon and I kind of moved it around to get the cheese and the chili kind of down in the potatoes. Now I'm going to do something that's totally not necessary, but if you happen to have these lying around, you might want to top your chili cheese fries with some of these French fried onions. I found these at Dollar Tree a while back, and I only use a little bit at a time generally. Sometimes a recipe will take an entire bag. But for something like this, if you happen to have some lying around, go ahead and put some on the top. So I'm just going to shake a little bit out here, kind of top it just a little bit with these French fried onions. I had about 1/4 of a bag left, and I'll just go ahead and kill it. So there we go. This is going back in the oven, probably for another 5 or 7 minutes just to get everything warmed through, and then we're going to give it a taste test. Our chili cheese fries are done. Doesn't that look beautiful? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and plate it up like I always do. You know how I feel about the green stuff. Always want to start with some green stuff. So lettuce and carrot salad mix that I made up today from my 99-cent store food buy. And I'm going to go ahead and get my serving thing out. And I'm going to get a little bit of this. It's going to go right on top of that salad. Now I know a lot of people think it's kind of weird to put something hot on top of salad. I don't know where I started, why I started doing this, except for that my mom used to when she made what she used to call okie salad. I mean okie tacos, which was cornbread, salad, and beans on the top. anyhow, I really like this. I like the way that the green stuff underneath wilts. It wilts a little bit after it's been underneath the hot topping, and there's something about that I really like. Don't do this if you, I'm going to give Nick a little bit more. Don't do it this way if you don't want to do it this way. Serve it separately. That's absolutely fine. This is just my way of doing it. Okay, now I'm going to give this a taste test. Flip you guys around. All right. Let's see. Oh my. It's just like any chili cheese fry you would get at the fair or pretty much anywhere else that they sell. Wonderful chili cheese fries. Excellent. Thank you so much for the suggestion, dear viewer. And now I'm going to go give Nick his dinner. Talk to you guys later. Bye.